In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Convertkit. Creating a form on Convertkit can significantly help in growing your subscribers and engaging with your audience more effectively. Whether you're a blogger, a digital marketer, or managing a website, grasping how to navigate and utilize Convertkit forms can be a game changer for your online strategy. Let's dive in. First and foremost, you'll need to access Convertkit's website. It's simple to find, just enter Convertkit in your search bar or go directly to their main page. Once you're there, you'll see a user-friendly interface that guides you through the initial steps. Next on our agenda is logging into your Convertkit account. If you look towards the top right corner of the screen, you'll find a login button waiting for your click. Clicking this will lead you to the login page where the journey to creating your form begins. Upon reaching the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take your time here to ensure you enter the correct email associated with your Convertkit account to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email, the next step will naturally be to enter your password. Make sure to type it in carefully. Passwords are case sensitive and can be tricky. Once you've got that typed in, press the login button once more to access your Convertkit dashboard. Now you've entered the heart of Convertkit, your dashboard. This is where all your creative email marketing comes to life. From your dashboard, you're going to want to focus on the Grow option, which is where we start venturing into subscriber management, and more importantly, how to grow that subscriber list with forms. Under the Grow tab, you'll find an option titled Subscribers. This is a good section to familiarize yourself with, as it gives you insights into your current subscriber list. But for our purpose today, we're going a step further. Clicking on landing pages and forms will bring you closer to the goal. This is where Convertkit offers you the tools to create that vital connection between your content and your audience. Now you're at the stage where creation begins. Look for a button or link that says Create New. It's your gateway to starting a new form from scratch. This is where your journey from a basic page to an engaging website component really takes shape. Once you've clicked on Create New, you'll be presented with a choice. You want to select Full Form. This option is specifically tailored for integrating into your web pages, offering you a blend of flexibility and structure for gathering subscriber details. Your selection will bring you to the next crucial point, choosing the form type. For our purposes, we're going with inline. Inline forms are perfect for embedding directly into your content, ensuring a seamless experience for your visitors as they navigate through your site. Finally, upon choosing inline, you will be prompted to choose your preferred template. Convertkit offers various design templates that cater to different aesthetics and functions. Take a moment here to select the one that resonates best with your website's look and feel. It's essential to choose a template that is not only visually appealing but also aligns with your brand identity and enhances the user experience on your website. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a form on Convertkit. From accessing Convertkit to selecting the perfect template for your site, each step is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Remember, the essence of Convertkit forms lies in their ability to transform casual visitors into engaged subscribers. Take advantage of the diverse template options and customize your form to capture the essence of your brand. Keep experimenting with different forms and placements on your site to see what works best for you. Collecting emails and growing your subscriber list is a dynamic process, and with Convertkit you have the tools you need to succeed. Your journey with Convertkit doesn't end here. Consider exploring other features like automation and email campaigns to fully leverage the power of email marketing. Thank you for watching and happy form creating.